What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Trucker 219. We are talking about 5 of the most expensive items that truckers need out on the road. Starting with number 1. Number 1 seems like a basic thing and pretty much everybody already has it, but a good cell phone and a cell phone provider. Communication is the biggest thing that you have between you and dispatch, you and family, out on the road. Without that, it's pretty well impossible to do your job in 2024. Now, back in the day, you could use a payphone, but payphones really don't exist anymore. You could use an Atlas, you can use things like that. But in today's day and age, the main form of communication is a cell phone. So you absolutely have to have that to be a trucker. And at number 2, we're going to talk about the second most important form of communication as a truck driver, and that's a CB radio. Now, I know it's 2024, it's outdated technology, you can make a phone call, but you owe it to yourself as a trucker, whether you're just getting started or you've been a truck driver for a long time and just haven't done it yet. Get a CB radio one time in your life. Let me know after about a year of using it how much it actually comes in handy. Because I can tell you personally, I have saved hours of travel time just by having the CB radio on, coming up to a traffic backup, and a local truck driver telling us a good way to get around it to where we don't have to be stuck all day. There are many different options for this, and there's so many different things that go into setting this up, and there's YouTube channels that are specifically dedicated to CB radios, so go and do your research on those. But my personal favorite and my personal use was a Uniden Bearcat 880, and that comes in at about $143. If you're going into a truck stop to purchase it, it's probably going to be closer to $200, $230. I've left a link down in the description below for this. But if you are a truck driver, utilize those fuel points for these big ticket items. If you don't know, you get fuel points as a truck driver for just fueling up, and basically it's free money. It all depends on where you get fuel depending on what the rewards program is, but save up your points and get these big ticket items, especially a CB radio where you absolutely don't have to have it right away. Coming in at number 3 is something that is absolutely a necessity for truck drivers. Now, it doesn't have to be some of the big brands starting out, you can work your way up to it. But having a hands-free device, which would be a headset, whether it's AirPods, whether it's a BlueParrot, Blue Tiger, or any of the other options that are out there, you need to have a hands-free device so you can communicate out on the road without having to have your cell phone up to your head. Now, I've used a bunch of different brands in the past for this, but I found over 8 years of being a truck driver that BlueParrot is my personal favorite brand. Yes, I've used Blue Tiger. Yes, I've used Road King. Yes, I've used AirPods. But my personal favorite, just for longevity of use, is a BlueParrot. And I actually have my personal Bluetooth headset right here. An absolute must-have when you're looking at Bluetooth headsets, though, is noise cancellation on the microphone. Because honestly, being a truck driver is a very loud environment. You got the roar of the engine going on in your head. You're at a shipper or receiver, you're hearing forklifts and other equipment moving around. If you want to keep anybody that's not a truck driver on the phone for any length of time, you need to have that noise canceling feature, otherwise you're going to drive them crazy. Again, this is another one you could save up your points for in the truck stop and be able to get it. Use something a little bit less expensive. Even a wired headset is better than having your phone up to your ear while you're driving. But these options range from $40 all the way up to like $250 for a good headset. This one specifically is on Amazon for $169 right now. I put a link down below, but again, I highly recommend just saving up your points and getting that, as it's something that you don't absolutely have to have right out the gate. All right, coming in at number 4 is something that I highly recommend you get as soon as possible. Being a truck driver is a dangerous job and people are zipping around you all the time. So whether you're in a car or in a truck, you absolutely need to have a dash cam as quickly as possible to protect yourself. Now, you can also save up points and get some of these in the truck stops, but I put some links down below for a cheap option and a more expensive option. The more expensive option comes in at about $150 on Amazon. They're about $175, $200 in a truck stop, but that would be the Garmin Dashcam 47. I've personally used this and I absolutely love it. It makes sure I'm safe out on the road just in case anybody decides to be crazy. I also put a link down below for a $40 one, which is similar and comparable to it. Anything that you can get to protect yourself is better than nothing, especially with all the crash reactions that I've done and seeing how crazy people can be. Whether you're in a car or a truck, I highly recommend that. If you want to see some of those crash reactions, I'll put a card right here. Go check those out. And finally on this list, and oftentimes the most expensive, is a good trucker GPS. Not every GPS will work. Google Maps won't keep you safe. Realistically, even some of the trucker GPSs have their issues as well. But a good trucker GPS will allow you to put in dimensions, and that's height, width, length, and it'll also allow you to put in hazmat materials if you have hazmat on board. to help you avoid those low bridges and areas you're not supposed to go. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. And I always tell people, know before you go. Know before you go. And that means to go on and look on either a atlas or Google Maps to see what your route looks like. Check out the place that you're going to, make sure you can fit in there, whether you're gonna have to back in off the street or if there's a spot to turn around in the parking lot to get into the dock. Always know before you go, but a trucker GPS is a great option. And I actually have 2 GPSs with me, and the first one is one that my parents got me when I first started trucking, and we got this off of eBay. I think it was like 50 bucks. The maps were a little bit out of date, but it lasted me for a good 3 years before I decided that it was time to upgrade. Now this thing is tiny, but it got the job done and it did everything that it needed to do, and it kept me safe, and that's the most important thing. Since then, I've upgraded a couple of times to different GPSs that were a little bit nicer, a little bit more modern, and my current GPS is a Garmin as well, but this one is a Garmin Dezl. And I've had this specific one for a couple of years now, and it's done me very well. Now, are there options that have a bigger screen than this? Absolutely. But me personally, I don't like stuff that's super big in my window, clogging up my field of view. I'd rather have something a little bit smaller that'll still get me to where I need to go. There's 2 big players in the GPS community, and that's Garmin and Rand McNally. Both GPSs are good options and they will help keep you safe out on the road. But me personally, I've always been a fan of Garmin, and I just find them a little bit easier to use. Now, this is a hot topic in the trucking community, which one's better, and you'll have to try them out as your career goes on to figure out which one you like more. But ever since I got my little tiny GPS, I've always been a fan of Garmin, and I haven't looked back since. I have tried a Rand McNally one time. I made it about a week before I returned it because it just wasn't a Garmin. A GPS is one of the most expensive things that a trucker can purchase, and the range on these is from $250 all the way to about $400 for a GPS, depending on the size of the screen, depending on what brand it is, and all that stuff. But it's very important and very helpful in 2024 to have a GPS versus using the atlas to try to figure out where you're at. Now, some of you old school truck drivers might give me a hard time about that. You gotta go to an atlas. We're in 2024. You got to use all the tools to your advantage and just be smart about using a GPS. If it's telling you to go down a dirt road, which very rarely happens, don't go down a dirt road. You know better than that. All right, y'all, that's it for this one. Like I said, I got links for everything down below. Go check it out if you want to get it ahead of time before you start trucking, but I highly recommend saving your truck stop points to be able to purchase some of these bigger ticket items. This way it's not coming out of your wallet. So whether you buy some of the more expensive options on this list or the cheaper options, always protect yourself and be safe out there on the road. All right, bye.